I was driving along a quiet road when I spotted something lying by the grass. It was a blue and gold macaw, hurt bad, barely breathing. There was a tiny chick right next to her. I didn't think twice. I pulled over and did whatever I could to help. She was badly hurt. One wing was bleeding, and her leg was swollen. I grabbed a clean cloth, poured a little water on it, and gently wiped the blood. She flinched a bit, but didn't try to run. I wrapped her wing as best I could,